Hello friends, today we'll, we'll discuss some topics, important topics related to acid, base and salts. We know all living and non-living things consist of various kinds of organic and inorganic substances depending upon their natures. Chemical substance may be acidic, basic or salty on the basis of their properties. Acids and bases salts are very much essential for our day-to-day life. It also save our life, we can say. All matters on the basis of their properties divided into three types: acids, bases and salts. We know when you see the activities, when you dip blue litmus to a solution, then if the blue litmus changes to red, that means the solution is acidic. That means acid changes blue litmus to red. That is one identification that the solution is acidic. Simple test. Similarly, if you add one drop of phenolphthalein indicator to unknown solution, if the solution changes to pink, that means the solution is basic. That means base changes phenolphthalein to pink. These are another small test of base. Similarly, if you dip red litmus paper to unknown solution, if the red litmus paper changes to blue, that means the solution is basic. That is also another one simple test of base. But one thing, if acid and base neutralizes each other, these are the reaction between acid and base, that acid reacts with base forming salt and water. Here hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide forming salt and water. This is the common reaction between acid and base. Here acid having H plus ion, base having OH minus ion forming water. This is the main reaction of neutralization, that H plus ion of acid and OH minus of base combine to form water. This is the reaction between acid and base. But one question is, how can you know how much H plus ion, how much OH minus ion present in the solution? No doubt the solution is identified, it is basic or acidic. But how can you know how much H plus ion, how much OH minus present in the solution? That can be known by pH scale. pH scale is the measurement by which we can know the actual H plus ion and OH minus ion present in the solution, and also identify whether the solution is acidic and basic. How much H plus ion and how much OH minus is present, we can know detail using pH scale. What is the pH scale? Let us discuss. In pH scale, that very important thing is here, that pH scale, it is a numerical values, ranges from 0 to 14. The value of pH value of solution starts from 0 to 14. That means the minimum value is 0 and the maximum value is 14. 0 means highly acidic and 14 means highly basic. So this is the pH range 0 to 14. pH of solution is actually, it is mathematically expressed as pH is equal to minus log H plus ion concentration. This is the logarithm, that is formula, log notation, that pH is equal to minus log H plus ion concentration. This bracket indicate concentration moles per liter. amount of H plus ion in moles present per liter of solution. That is called concentration. So pH is equal to minus log H plus ion concentration. More acidic solution means more H plus ion. It is clear. If solution is more acidic, means H plus ion is more. The concentration of H plus is more. More basic means OH minus is more. H plus ion is less. For a neutral solution, H plus ion is equal to OH minus ion. This is very important. For a neutral solution, H plus is equal to OH minus. But it is also experimentally also calculated that the product of H plus ion and OH minus ion is always equal to 10 to the power minus 14. Product of H plus ion concentration and OH minus concentration always gives 10 to the power minus 14. This is already calculated. This is a constant value 10 to the power minus 14. So pH is equal to minus log H plus ion concentration. If H plus ion concentration is known for a solution, then pH can be calculated. The minimum value of pH is 0 and the maximum value of pH is 14. So you have to remember this thing. And the concentration is expressed as moles per liter. Moles mean number of moles per liter of solution. That is one unit of concentration. Then pH calculation I can do. Let us see. Pure water. For pure water, water contain H plus ion and OH minus ion. As water is a neutral solution, so neutral compound H plus ion is equal to OH minus. This is clear. As water is a neutral substance, so H plus ion is equal to OH minus ion. As we know in previous slide, H plus ion into OH minus ion is equal to 10 to the power minus 14. The product is always 10 to the power minus 14. If H plus ion is equal to OH minus ion for water, now OH minus can be replaced by H plus ion. So H plus into H plus is equal to 10 to the power minus 14. Then H plus square is equal to 10 to the power minus 14. Then H plus is equal to 10 to the power minus 7. This is a calculation. If you calculate H plus value is equal to 10 to the power minus 7 for water. For water, if anybody asks what is the concentration of H plus ion, your answer will be 10 to the power minus 7. What is the concentration of OH minus ion? That will be also 10 to the power minus 7. So both will be 10 to the power minus 7. So if you calculate the pH value of water, pure water, then pH is equal to minus log H plus ion value. Then you put minus log, then H plus, in place of H plus, you put 10 to the power minus 7. So minus log 10 to the power minus 7 is 7 because the power becomes coefficient. Minus 7 and minus become plus. A 10 log 10 will be 1. That's why pH value of pure water is 7. So pH of neutral, every neutral solution is 7. Not only water, all neutral solution which is neither acidic nor basic, the pH value is 7. So this calculation indicates how the pH value will be calculated for a solution. Then for an acidic solution means H plus ion is greater than OH minus ion concentration. It is clear because acidic means H plus is greater than OH minus ion. If H plus is greater, means greater than 10 to the power 7. 10 to the power minus 7 is neutral. So greater than 10 to the power minus 7. 10 to the power minus 7 means what are the value of 10 to the power minus 7? It may be 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power minus 5, 10 to the power minus 4, 10 to the power minus 3, like this, up to 10 to the power minus 0, means up to 10 to the power 0. That means H plus ion concentration is 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power minus 5 for acidic solution because it is greater than 10 to the power minus 7, 10 to the power minus 7 greater than means 10 to the power minus 6 because 10 to the power minus 6 greater than 10 to the power minus 5, 9 to 7, 10 to the power minus 5 also greater than 10 to the power minus 7. That's why if the solution is acidic, the H plus ion concentration will be 10 to the power minus 6 or maybe 10 to the power minus 5 or like this. If the concentration 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power minus 5, 10 to the power minus 4, then pH will be less, that is less than 7 because 6, 4, 5, 4 like this up to 0. So that what is the conclusion here? If the solution is acidic, pH value will be less than 7 because H plus ion concentration of this solution will be greater than 10 to the power minus 7. So pH will be less than 7, that is 6, 5, 4 like this up to 0. 0 means highly acidic. So it is another conclusion that if pH value decreases, acidic character increases, because 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power minus 5, 10 to the power minus 4, here value is increasing. When value will be increasing, then the log minus log value will be 6, 5, 4. That means value is decreasing. That's why higher the acidic, lower will be the pH. Just opposite. Acidic character, pH is just opposite. Then come to basic solution. For basic solution, H plus ion concentration is less than OH minus concentration, because OH minus concentration is more than H plus. That's why solution is basic. If OH minus is much more, then more basic. The solution is more basic. So H plus ion concentration will be less than 10 to the minus 7. As it is less, as more basic means less acidic. Less acidic means 10 to the power minus 7 less. 10 to the power minus 7 less, what are the value? 10 to the power minus 8, 10 to the power minus 9 like this. 10 to the power minus 10 to the power minus 9, 10 to the power minus 10 like this means what are the pH value? Will be 8, 9, 10 up to 14. That means pH value will be greater than 7 for basic solution. That is a conclusion. For a basic solution, pH value will be greater than 7. For acidic solution, pH will be less than 7. So this is about calculation of pH. Then you see one table that this is the concentration of H plus ion. You know H plus ion concentration in water is called hydronium ion, because H plus plus water mixed forming H3O plus. This is called hydronium ion. Hydronium ion concentration is same as called as H plus ion. This is the H plus ion concentration. You see the data 10 to the power minus 0, 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 2. Value is decreasing. As the value is decreasing, but pH value is increasing. For that means for acidic character, for this is the H plus ion concentration. As H plus ion concentration is decreasing here, as H plus ion concentration, that means for let us see the 7. This is the neutral solution. From 10 to the power minus 7 means neutral solution. Greater than 10 to the power minus 7 means 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power minus 5 like this. That is up to G 10 to the power minus 0. That means H plus ion concentration increasing, but pH value is decreasing. So increasing acidic character from 10 to the power minus 7 to 10 to the power minus 0, but pH value is decreasing 6 to 0. So when acidic character increases, pH value decreases. Then come to second. When you move from 10 to the power minus 7 to 10 to the power minus 14, that is the H plus ion concentration still again decreasing. This is the lowest value, 10 to the power minus 14. The 10 to the power minus 14 means H plus ion concentration is 10 to the power minus 14 means pH is 14. That means from 7 onwards 14, H plus pH value is increasing. So basic character is increasing, but acidic character is decreasing. From above 7 to 0, acidic character is increasing, basic character is decreasing. So this table, the pH value indicates 0 to 14. What it indicates? 0 to 14 means pH value increases, basic character increases, but acidic character decreases. More the pH value, more the basic character, and more the pH value, lower the acidic character. This is the conclusion regarding pH and acidic and basic nature of solution. Then another, you see, measurement of pH. How can we measure the pH value? We can use litmus paper, you can use litmus solution, you can use universal indicator to identify the solution whether acidic, basic or neutral. But we cannot know the actual value. The pH measurement shows the actual value of H plus ion and OH minus ion in solution. That's why pH measurement is very important. How can we measure the pH measurement? How can we measure the pH value of the solution? By pH paper. There is one paper, there is this yellow color paper. When you dip to the solution, it shows change in color. When you compare this color with the pH chart, then you can tell how much pH value. So pH paper indicates the pH value of the particular solution. But litmus paper does not indicate the actual pH value, only indicate whether acidic or basic. This is the difference between pH paper and litmus paper. pH paper no doubt indicate the acidic and basic nature, but the actual H plus ion and OH minus can be calculated, can be determined using pH paper. Similar, another instrument is pH meter. By using pH meter also we can determine the pH value of solution. That is digital. You see here it is showing 7.1. That is that solution. When it will dip in the solution, it shows the pH value. Digital notes, that is 7.1. Digital value. So digital, this is called digital pH meter, showing the value. Like this, nowadays we are determining the sugar in the blood using the instrument. Similarly, the pH of solution can determine using pH meter and pH paper. But pH meter is more accurate than pH paper also. Then you see some calculated pH value of different samples. That is, we know different fruit juice and also some natural substances and how its pH value. What is its pH value? It is also calculated. Lemon juice is 2, means highly acidic. Grape juice is 3, means less acidic. Tomato juice, that means 4, means less acidic. Coffee 5 means again less acidic. Urine 7.5 means slightly basic. Milk 6.5 means slightly acidic. Distilled water 7 means neutral. Blood 7.5 means slightly basic. Antacid we are using for indigestion, Gelosil, your Divol, Digene. This is called antacid. Its pH value generally, if you prepare the solution, that is maximum, that is 10. 10 means not highly basic, that is moderate basic. We can say it is weakly basic also. Not too weak, but it is basic. Not too high basic. 10. Because 14 is highly basic. So these are the pH value of some substances, natural substance. Then application of pH scale. Where you are using this pH scale? To control tooth decay. Because you know, when you take your food, the food inside your mouth will be chewed, so that if you do not properly wash your mouth or teeth, so that the substance will be remain in your teeth. So due to fermentation, it produces acids. So due to fermentation acid, because the teeth is a salt, it react with the acid produced in the teeth. It will undergo decay, means it will decompose. That's why to control the tooth decay, we can use toothpaste. What is toothpaste? Toothpaste is a weakly basic, alkaline nature. It controls the tooth decay. How? Because the acidic substance produced in the mouth will be neutralized by toothpaste, because toothpaste is basic. So it controls the pH value. Control acidity in stomach, because already you know, when we are when we feel indigestion, generally doctor prescribe to take antacids. Antacids are weak base. It control the excess acidic in the stomach by what? Increasing the pH value in the stomach. When the acidic character increases in the stomach, so that the pH value comes down. To increase the pH value to up to certain limit, we can use antacid, because antacid is a weak base. It increases the pH value of the stomach, so the acidic character indigestion can be controlled. Preparation of medicine. We are preparing medicine in different pH value. It is required. How much pH is effective for our curing disease. That is also pH calculation is very important. Preparing medicine. Maintain pH value of soil. Soil may be acidic. Soil in some cases acidic soil required, some cases basic soil is required, some cases neutral soil is required. So how can you do it? By using pH measurement. We can know whether solution is acidic, basic or neutral. So these are very important application of pH scale in your day-to-day life, which is highly essential. So we have to read this to remember this application of pH scales. Then some questions for you. You have to solve this question. What is pH? You have to remember in your copy, in your homework copy, you have to practice this. Compare the acidic nature. Again, I am discussing what is pH. pH is the value which indicate the H plus ion and OH minus concentration in the solution, and also indicate the acidic basic nature of solution. It indicates how much H plus ion and OH minus ion present in the solution, and mathematically it is expressed as minus log H plus ion concentration. Compare the acidic nature of given solution. For A solution, pH is 4, B solution, pH is 2, for C solution, pH is 10. If B solution is lower pH means highly acidic, then 4, then less acidic than B. Then C already is 10 means highly basic. So this is the measurement whether solution acidic, basic, and compare also acidic character, basic character. So how can compare acidic character? B greater than A greater than C. How can compare basic character? C greater than A greater than B. So in this way we can tell. Already I have told you, higher pH, lower acidic. This concept remember. What is the concentration of H plus ion, OH minus ion in acid base during its dilution? When the acid base will be diluted, what will be the H plus and OH minus concentration? Always remember, when the solution will diluted, the concentration decreases. So maybe any type of solution, when the solution will be diluted, always the concentration decreases. H plus will be decreased, OH minus will be, OH minus also decrease. What will the pH value if the same acid base solution diluted? Then just opposite question. When the H plus ion concentration for dilution of acid is already decreases, H plus ion is decreases, pH increases. This is very important. If H plus is decreases, acid character decreases, that means pH increase. pH will be increases. But for OH minus solution, that means for basic solution, if it will diluted, then the OH minus concentration decreases. If OH minus concentration decreases, alternatively H plus ion concentration increases. If OH minus concentration decreases, H plus ion concentration increases. That means here, if OH minus concentration decreases means pH decreases. Opposite. As for acidic solution, when it will be diluted, the pH value increases. For basic solution, when it will be diluted, pH value decreases. But during dilution, H plus ion concentration and OH minus concentration both decreases. So this is the very important qualitative analysis of pH scale. So you have to know some many different types of tricky question, hot type questions generally asking in your examination. Prepare yourself very well so that you can attempt question without doing wrong. Okay. Thank you all.